up, baddies? It's your girl Tanisha K, the ultimate baddie, period. And today I am toning this wig. I previously did a Amazon full review plus install. This is the video here. The link will be inside of the description box to get the full details on this wig. This 613 wig was very brassy, very yellow, and it did nothing for my skin tone, so I need to tone it, and that's what we're going to do today. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need like a bucket or a bowl. I'm using this old storage bin. I'm ghetto, so don't mind that. Look past that. Preferably something clear so that you can see that there's no clumps in the water left still. I'll tell you guys about that in a minute. So yeah, just make sure the water is hot or as hot as you can stand. I'm using the Shimmer Light shampoo, the purple shampoo. You can find this almost anywhere, any hair store, Walgreens, Walmart, almost anywhere. So I'm just going to drizzle a little bit in. I don't really measure it. I just kind of eyeball it. And this step is very, very important. Make sure that you mix so that there is no clumps left over. Mix really well. Get all of those clumps out. Mix. Because if you have clumps of purple, that will instantly turn your wig purple. And we don't want that. We do not want that. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just mixing. I was mixing for a long time because I wanted to make sure I didn't have any clumps left over. So just mix. So for this part, I always start with the back and the middle because that be taking the longest to turn. So I'm just dumping it up and down, making sure that all of the wig is saturated. You want to kind of keep dumping it up and down to make sure, you know, like one part of the wig is not more wet than the other part of the wig. So you want to just kind of make sure all of the wig is catching that color. So just kind of keep dumping it up and down. So now I'm just going to let it sit in the water for about like 7 to 10 minutes and let it soak up the rest of whatever color is in here. So now I'm just checking the wig and making sure it's the color that I want, making sure all of the wig is the same color, checking to see are there any spots that I need to go over. And in the back, it's still a little orange or yellow for me. So what I'm going to do is add some more shampoo to this same water, just a little drizzle. And then I'm going to mix, you know, do the same process. Basically the same process as the beginning. Just mix. Make sure all of the clumps are out. There's no purple clumps. Just mix. Shout enough for me to choke her when I'm in that pussy. Nigga, I don't wake up, ain't no moving, I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s? I just told it. Still that same nigga in the. So now I'm just gonna add the wig back in and just dump. Do basically the same thing that I previously did. So I'm just gonna open up the wig to make sure, you know, the wig gets saturated with that color. I'm just moving around here to see where it's still yellow at, and I'm gonna mainly dump that section inside of the water. So now I'm just gonna let it soak in here for another 5 minutes. Let it just sit in the water for another 5 minutes. So now I'm just gonna take it out. It's the color that I wanted. So now I'm just gonna take it out. There's some purple undertones. So I'm just gonna put some fresh water inside this bucket and go in with a color clarifying shampoo. So if you're going to use a color clarifying shampoo, you got to kind of be quick with it because it will take the purple out, but it also will add the orange and yellow back into it. So you don't want that. So just kind of, you know, make it quick, dump it in, dump it out. And yeah. As you can see, the purple undertones are coming out of the wig by the color of the water. This is the shampoo that I use. Oh, sorry for the quickness. But yeah, this is how the wig turned out. This is the color. It doesn't have that orangeness to it, that brassiness to it, and which I love. It does have still some of the purple undertone to it. A lot of people go in with the blue Dawn dish soap. I'm not gonna do that. I'm okay with the dimensions in this wig, and on camera it picks up a whole lot more than in person. But yeah, this is the before and after. Way less brassy. Yeah, I love it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And the baddie is out. Gotta wait to meet no more.